Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back at Watts. Got a little return. Let's go see what's up. They've been having releases here lately. Did they get the Gratitudes? I don't know. They had the 4s. They had the red cement 4s. Just sneakers pass, it looks like. Just the sneakers pass. I don't know if they had any extra pairs. All right, they are doing sneakers pass pickups. I did return some KD 16s that I bought for my nephew. They were the wrong size. All right, let's look around, see what's up. With the back wall, 30% off. I just realized I have a friends and family coupon. An extra 30% off. Holy crap, so 30 plus 30? Really? Holy crap. Thank you to the homie that did send me the friends and family. It's, I think, until the 24th. I haven't even looked at it, but I think the sale is till the 24th, the friends and family thing. They're giving people like 2.5 weeks to use it, which is pretty dope. Nike by You right here. Nike by You Dunk. Other than the pink hue, that is kind of cool. Just like a little too pink for me. Apparently for Michael as well. $165, that is a size 9. We saw these for hella cheap at Shoe Palace. Should I have grabbed that one? I don't know. They had it for $45. $155 here. That is a 9. 2090s, 10.5 go for $84. Air Max 1. It says 86 OG. Don't really see that too often. This is a golf as well. $110. That's a 9.5. What are these? Some Terra Kigers. Oh, the Pegasus Trail 4. $70. It is imperfect, so you gotta look at it. Got some 11s right here, 11 low IEs. $185, and you do get 30% off. Humeras, don't really see these too often. These are 10.5. These are full price though. Bengals fans right here. Pegasus 40s, $140, and then Metcons. I want to say these have been here for a minute. $130 though. I thought they were cheaper. I don't know. Maybe that was at another spot. Size 8.5 right here. Everything's kind of a mess because, dang, it was packed. It was packed here a few minutes ago. It's calmed down a little bit. But dude got some Nike by You. These actually look dope. But you better be fast because that's a lot of bling. Does have the Zoom X. These are an Invincible Run 3, and they are on the 4th gen now. Yeah, $150 to get that extra 30 off. Friends and family, I'm so excited I get an extra 30 off. We'll see. I'm kind of thinking about waiting till my next paycheck because it's not like I have that much money in the bank right now, but I don't know. If I find something crazy, might have to grab them. We'll see. But I still have 2 weeks to use my friends and family coupon, so yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, Jordan 7s right here. These are a 9.5. These are the Black Olives, I think. 97s right here. We've seen these so cheap at the retail shops. $150 here, size 11. Oh damn! One of my boys, he was looking for one of these for one of his brother actually. Damn, dude, $135, size 10.5, size 8. Got some Hirachis right here, going for $155. I'm gonna have one douchebag. Hey man, that's not how you pronounce it. Yeah, some of y'all need to lighten up, dude. Look at this. Remember when Dunks, SB Dunks were just like the most popular thing? I actually still love SB Dunks, especially if they're lows, highs. I don't really care. But this one's just not it. I don't need shoes looking like candy corn. That's just my opinion. But yeah, dude got these $125. That's your thing, man. 30% off. $60 for these still, so cheap. Man, the center courts, $36. Lows right here. There's no way they're regular price. I think I'm in the smaller size area. 270s, $160 still. At least you get the 30% off. Dude got Air Max 1 premiums right here. Size 8, $110. Oh, I was like, look at this. But yeah, they're golf shoes. They're golf, and I don't even think that's not the right color code, is it? I don't think that is. Oh, yeah, it is. My bad. The varsity red threw me off. But Jordan does that sometimes. Like, they'll put a little bit of varsity red. But yeah, I guess the women, they don't really need these $100 for Jordan 12 low golf. And I say women because that's a size 6.5 men's, 8 women's. Another pair of those. Got 2 of those here. What size is this though? Size 8 as well as a size 9. Oh, that other one was a 9.5, my bad. But yeah, I do got the LeBrons right here. These are the LeBron Palmer, right? LeBron Palmer 9s. Going for $120. Stuff usually is in pretty good order here, but yeah, it's crowded as hell. It's crowded as hell. So yeah, we'll move on to the bigger sizes. Got some Air Max 1 premiums right here, the corduroy ones. Still going for $130. Does come with the extra laces. Do got some Adjust Forces in a size 12 in a Travis Scott 4 colorway. They're bulky. I don't know. Do they look better without the strap? The colorway is fire, dude. The colorway is dope. They just, I don't know. Maybe they're bulky because they're huge size 12. Maybe that's it. $120 for those. Nike Attacks right here. Go for $120. Got one of these right here. I did grab mine. Oh, I grabbed mine at Torrance. They have a box top right here. Freaking love you guys. But yeah, we found them cheaper at other spots. Hopefully you guys are watching all my videos. Found them cheaper at Chic. Hope you guys saw my video from yesterday. 11.5 right here. That's why I love these fulls right here, man. Give you the full box. I love it. Especially on stuff like that. Like, nobody's reselling those. There's no resale. So, like, if it's a collector, why not give us the full box? You know what I'm saying? But we're already getting a steep discount, so that's just me being greedy. I know. But yeah, I do got Infinity Royal Flyknits going for $85 right here. 37 low, size 12.5. Oh, that's a weird colorway. Yeah, but $105 for those. Jordan 6 Golf right here, the infrared, the white infrared, still $220 though. Size 13, this is what I'm talking about right here. Bread colorway of the 37s. These look huge because they're 13s. y'all, dang, dude, y'all feet big as hell. God damn, dude. Compared to mine, dude, I don't know. I guess I'm just used to my own feet. I don't know why that's just sinking in, but $75. So it looks like they did do extended size pricing. Remember, 75, you do get that extra 30 off. So that's like close to $50, probably like $52 to $53 something. Size 13 right here, $85 for these. This is a pretty good dope colorway. This ain't bad. And then do got Jordan 2s right here, $140 for these. Terminators right here, slightly imperfect, $60. Why is this in this section? This has been crazier, dude. Like I said, I haven't seen it this packed in a long time. Package Trail 3s, look at this. $55. Remember, you did get that extra 30 off on top. Holy cow. And then Jordan 1, those? Like, have I even seen? Oh, these are golf. That's why. It's like, I ain't even seen these before. Not in the black one, at least. And material not as nice as a lot of the other golf. That's interesting. Comes with gray laces. Yeah, they got these for $140 size 13. 15 plus, not really see much. Size 14 right here, $105, $130 for these dunks. These are the Dunk SB. These are the deconstruct ones. And then size 17 for the Stay Loyals right here. That's about it for the big feet. Seeing what's going on with the clearance apparel. $13 and then 40% off on top. What the hell? $12? Or $12.97 and 40% off. So all these shirts are well under $10. Way under $10. Damn, dude, look, Rams shirts, way under $10. Damn, they getting rid. That's why this place is packed, huh? Because apparel's been kind of whatever. Dude, look at this. Chargers, this is a large. No, there's no way. There's no way, right? There's no way. I think that one is there by mistake. But the other stuff, all right, let me put that one back up. But yeah, other stuff, pretty cheap. Got freaking shirts for under $10. You can find a dope one. Like, this one ain't bad. Double X. Is this stuff right here? I'll see it, man. This stuff, man. Oh, I do have the 30% off now. Ooh. Do have the 30% off. You know what? I'm gonna be a little more patient. But this, I think these are going for 55, 30% off. That would so be worth it. They do got a medium right there. Bang, I just realized 40% off all the clearance apparel. What the? Man, I should have been over here earlier. Dang, and if I could use my friends and family on this? Oh my God, dude, get stuff for free pretty much. $90. 30, that makes that even decent. Or 30 and 40. That's almost 70 off. Holy cow. Holy cow, dude. Oh, this is dope. Tearaway. Is this tech fleece? Is this tearaway tech fleece? Oh, no. 145, the holy crap. Extra premium on those. And they got a black one right here. Oh, this isn't a tearaway though. It's just fleece. 120 for those. They got some hella premium items. Therma fit sweats right here. Man, alarms going off left and right. Nobody's stealing nothing. It's just people walking by. 45 for those. That's a quadruple X. Holy cow. All right, so it looks like it's the big section right here. 40% off this Florida A&M shirt, which is $13. That's an XL. 45 for this hoodie right here. That's hanging out for dear life. Dude, this looks like an extra small. Yeah, one. Oh, this is an XL, but a women's XL. 140 for that. If you need a lot of red, 65 for this. It's an XL. LA gear, LA Rams gear, going for 75. UCLA. Oh, this is that dope jersey right here. It's going for 90. Remember, it is 40% off all this. If you need to look extra bougie, they got this sweater right here for 130. All right, we are checking out the aisles now. Pegasus 38 is going for way cheap. Another one of those. Remember, this one you do get 30% off. Remember, if it's a 97 and there is a clearance sale on the back wall, you get that same discount. So this is 30% off. Turbo Next Nature's right here. Pegasus Trail 3s. Got some size 5 right here. This looks like men's size 5 though. Yeah, those are $180. More Trail 3s right here. Infinity Run Rare Flyknit 3s. Cosmic Unities. More Rants, been here for a minute. LeBron's right here. Those were the next gens, either the LeBron 20s. Do get that 30% off these 36 lows. And then of course a bunch of Team J's. An entire aisle of Team J's right here. I don't see any crazy insane prices though on any of these. The Max R2s, B Loyals right here. Immortalities, $40. Is that the cheapest we've seen those? Those are the Immortality 2s. Got another one right there. Katie Trey 5.9s right here. Witness 7s right here. Well, they've been having these for a minute. Jordan 2s. All of these gray ones. AJKOs. Ooh, the Jordan 1 lows right here. Down to 100. And you get that extra 30 off. So $70 for these. Is this the purple one? I'm trying to remember. Oh, it's like, yeah, that's a weird color, dude. But yeah, $70 for those. And Duke got an SE Craft right here. Then they've been having these Blazer Low Sakai's. Got a couple of them. Acronyms right here. Then the Air Force One. Billie Eilish right here. Got a few sizes up to size 13. More Air Forces. 30% off these. These are the React ones, right? The Crater ones. No, these are the Crater ones. Some highs right here. And then checking out the women's. Do got these still in a 6.5. 130 for those. UNC to Chicago's. This is gonna make some of you guys so mad, especially some of you guys in different states. Like, they still do have these here. The women's satin bread Jordan 1 High OGs, $180. 10.5 right here. Don't see. Oh, dang! Do I have to use my friends and family for this? Oh, this is size 11, so 9.5. That does not work for me. Yeah, I got another one right here. That one had a box top too. Maybe I might have to check some more outlets and then use my friends and family for that. That might be worth the 30 and 30. That'd be like $100 for those. Holy cow. Dang, dude. I just hit my boy up yesterday regarding the friends and family. I just got the coupon and I just bought these at Sheet now. Dang it. Now I'm not gonna return them, but I could have got these for 30 and 30 off. It would have probably been very similar to, actually, nah, it would have been cheaper. It probably would have been a little cheaper, but nah, I'm not gonna return mine to Chic. I'm happy that I got those. Maybe I'll look for the satin breads. Maybe that's what I'll look for. And yeah, man, they throwing out full boxes. Freaking love these guys here because of that. I think I'm gonna wrap it up. You guys gonna wrap it up? Let's go home. Maybe we'll talk about the friends and family situation, and yeah, that's about it, man. That's about it. They still do have the 11s up there. They're doing the sneaker pass for those. Got LAPD right there. Look at that. Okay. We're out. We're out. All right, guys, let's talk about the friends and family situation. Friends and family, I think, began like a week ago, and it goes on till, I think, the 24th. The 24th. And it's going back to the way it used to be way back when. Back in the day, Nike employees used to get cards. They used to get 10 cards, and they used to give them out to their family, friends, whoever. And now it's kind of going back to that. For a while, they pretty much provided like a discount to everybody, but then when you went to the Nike outlets, like there was no discount off the hash walls, that type of stuff. So kind of was a discount, but not really. It was cool if you wanted to buy stuff in the aisles, but everything off the back, you couldn't really double stack the coupons. But now, if you are fortunate enough to get a friends and family coupon from one of the Nike employees, you can stack that as well as the discount on the back wall. So you can find some pretty crazy discounts. The only problem is you have to be cool enough, you have to be friends enough with one of the Nike staff members to be able to get one. You know what I'm saying? They're not going to have a million of them. So you know, not everybody's gonna get one. So like I've always said, be nice to people, be nice to Nike staff members, be nice to most people, and hopefully you can make friends with them. But yeah, that is what's going on. I have till the 24th to use. I think I have 2 coupons, so I have till the 24th to use my two coupons or 2 certificates or 2 whatever the hell they're called, and hopefully I can find some. But yeah, I don't know. Like, I'm not really trying to buy that much, but like I feel like if I use this, I'm gonna have to purchase multiple things, right? I'm gonna have to purchase like 2, 3, 4 things. So we'll see what happens, but I do have a couple, and hopefully I can find something. Hopefully a dope Jordan return or something. I'm definitely gonna have to hit up a lot more Nike outlets than the last few weeks. I've been hitting up a lot of malls, especially for this past week. I hit up a bunch of malls for the Jordan 11 release and try to get all that information, but definitely gonna have to hit up more Nike outlets. I'm gonna have to drive around a little bit more, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, hopefully you guys were able to get a coupon or a Nike friends and family pass from one of your peeps, and yeah, hopefully you guys were able to get one. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys keep supporting the channel. But make sure you guys help our boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. Click on that notification, all that good stuff. Check out the membership if you want to help a boy with some gas money, that type of stuff. But that's pretty much about it. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Let's go Niners, man. Niners spanking that ass, man. We number 1, baby. We number 1, baby.